Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Botra and my roll number is 20CE30004. This is my DIY assignment number 3 which I have done in Proteus. For the first project I am going to open sample, select VSM for AVR and then select Arduino. Now I am selecting Arduino DS222 humidity and temperature sensor. This is the schematics capture of the circuit. This is the Arduino board and this is the DS222 humidity sensor. This is the 13-pin LED. Now in making the source code, I am making a code here. This gives the output in 13-pin. Now I am going to add few more codes of line here. For temperature less than equals to 50 degrees Celsius and humidity less than 20%, LED on for 1 second. For temperature less than 15 degrees Celsius and humidity greater than 60%, LED blink for 0.5 seconds. Similarly, for temperature greater than 28 degrees Celsius, there are two conditions. Now we are starting to build project. As you can see, it has been compiled successfully. Now on schematic capture, I am editing properties of sensor at temperature 12 degrees Celsius and humidity 20%. Now I am starting the simulation. The LED will glow for 1 second. Now after stopping simulation, now I am editing temperature to 10 degrees Celsius and humidity 70%. Now again I am starting the simulation. The LED is on for 0.5 seconds in this case. Again stopping the simulation. Now for second project, open new sample. Select VSM for AVR. Then select Arduino. Now select Arduino and RGB common cathode LED. This is the schematics capture of the circuit. This is the Arduino board, this is the RGB LEDs, this is the oscilloscope and this is the 13-pin LED. Now I am going to source code and adding line of code here. It will provide output in the 13-pin. Adding few line of codes here. Now the first part of the wave on for 0.5 second and off for 1 second, and the second part of the wave on for 0.25 second and off for 0.5 second, and the third part of the wave on for 2 seconds and off for 4 seconds. Now building this project. As you can see, it is compiled successfully. Now here I am connecting the channel of the oscilloscope to the 13th pin. Now I am starting the simulation. So I am changing it to DC and these to 200 milliseconds. In which the first part on for 0.5 second and off for 1 second, and the second part on for 2.5 second and off for 0.5 second, and now the third part on for 2 seconds and off for 4 seconds. So thank you for this project.